1, 2, 3. Carambola Star. Hi kids, welcome back to Carambola Star. Hello friends. Today, we're going to learn some opposites together. Opposite words help us understand differences better. For example, when we say big, the opposite is small. Or when we say dark, the opposite is light. Let's learn some fun examples together. Boy, girl. Boy and girl are opposites. Sun, moon. Sun and moon are opposites. Hot, cold. Hot and cold are opposites. Run, walk. Run and walk are opposites. In, out. In and out are opposites. Sit, stand. Sit and stand are opposites. Big, small. Big and small are opposites. Near, far. Near and far are opposites. Up, down. Up and down are opposites. Night, day. Night and day are opposites. Happy, sad. Happy and sad are opposites. Right, left. Right and left are opposites. Open, closed. Open and closed are opposites. Tall, short. Tall and short are opposites. Black, white. Black and white are opposites. Fast, slow. Fast and slow are opposites. Full, empty. Full and empty are opposites. Young, old. Young and old are opposites. Sweet, bitter. Sweet and bitter are opposites. Heavy, light. Heavy and light are opposites. Off. On. Off and on are opposites. North. South. South and north are opposites. Poor. Rich. Poor and rich are opposites. Clean. Dirty. Clean and dirty are opposites. Loud. Quiet. Loud and quiet are opposites. Straight. Curly. Straight and curly are opposites. Wide. Narrow. Wide and narrow are opposites. Warm. Cold. Warm and cold are opposites. Healthy. Unhealthy. Healthy and unhealthy are opposites. Beautiful. Ugly. Beautiful and ugly are opposites. Alone. Together. Together and alone are opposites. Good. Bad. Good and bad are opposites. Present. Absent. Present and absent are opposites. New. Old. New and old are opposites. Bright. Dark. Bright and dark are opposites. Soft. Hard. Soft and hard are opposites. Calm. Stormy. Calm and stormy are opposites. Expensive. Cheap. Expensive and cheap are opposites. Stop. Go. Stop and go are opposites. Asleep. Awake. Asleep and awake are opposites. East. West. East and west are opposites. Thank you for staying with us until the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed learning the opposites. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one, bye. Thank you for watching.